Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. So I have a question for you today. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. So if you are not a Pixel 2 or 2 XL, especially 2 XL user, you can skip today's video. I will upload something next week, something more interesting. But if you're a Pixel user, you can watch today's video because I have a question to you. And I just want to say a big thank you to my viewers from Canada, India, United States, Philippines. Thank you very much for tuning in and watching my videos. This means a lot to me. So let's go back now. Let's talk about the Pixel 2 XL. I had this Pixel 2 XL nearly 3 years. And I still have it. I'm gonna go first. So I still have it, still use it every day. The battery keeps me, believe it or not, if I don't play a lot, keeps me full day, believe it or not. Maybe this is the only Pixel 2 device, 2 XL device that still works. Because I had many people who was complaining that the Pixel 2 XL doesn't work anymore, the camera doesn't work, and many software problems. But this Pixel 2 XL still works completely fine. No complaints with the software, no complaints with the camera. Still works like a brand new, believe it or not. So my question is today, do you still have and use your Pixel 2 XL or Pixel 2, especially Pixel 2 XL? Do you upgrade? Did you bought the Pixel 4, 4a or 5? Or you're waiting for the Pixel 6, which is gonna be here soon. And this is my question for you today. And the reason for today's video is I just want to know how many people still using the Pixel 2 XL, because I will still keep using this Pixel device. I will not upgrade for now. I just want to see for how long I can have this phone. I can upgrade, I can buy any phone, but I believe this phone still works fine. And why I should buy a phone every year or every 2 years? This is personally my opinion. So let me know in the comments down below. I just want to know more about your device, what phone you're using right now. And if you use the Pixel 2 XL, let me know in the comments down below. And you're planning to upgrade, or you're waiting for Pixel 6. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.